one of the most commonly tight muscles on the body is this upper trap. And it's tight in a sense that it's usually getting sort of passively lengthened, meaning people slouch a lot through here, which puts tension across this muscle. It makes it go across a longer distance, meaning it's going to feel this tightness. And you can see too, as I turn my head that way, I have limited motion because that, as it runs up and attaches onto the middle back, is restricting my total neck movement. So you want to work on that muscle as it runs from here down to the outside of the shoulder, sort of in this top groove area. You'll know when you're doing it right because it feels good and it usually feels sore and intense. What I recommend though is from the start position, lift through your chest, draw your core in, and put that muscle in a nice relaxed position to do the work from. With this one, I'm using more of that pointed tip. Now that's going to be more aggressive to start with. So if you want to use something lighter or broader, start there and then work towards something that's more pinpoint. With this, I'm going from driving down into those various points. And you can see with this, I'm going to work my head side to side, different angles. Maybe shrug my shoulder up into it, back down. And after working each side for a minute or 2 minutes or so, then go through some different neck ranges of motion, make sure that it feels good to move the neck in all directions. I'll often pull the shoulders back and lift through the chest to get opening there and take pressure and tension off that muscle. Likely do some full shoulder rolls each way, both sort of clockwise and counterclockwise. As with all of these things, we've just put some input and sensation, some stimulus into that muscle, and then we want to retrain how that muscle works or how that functions. So by getting it moving in a variety of different ways, it's not going to hold on to that sort of one position of tightness.